Here's our iCalendar. On a default installation, you'll see it on the desktop, or you can always go to your iBar and go to Applications. On the toolbar up top, you'll see Previous, which is from this point backwards, day, month, or week backwards. And then Next would be forward from this point on. Then we have Today, which if you're viewing a day or week or whatever, it'll snap to the day and just show you today only. Now, on yours, you'll see on the main body down here, you'll see a little red line going through what the current time is. Nice little feature. After that, on the toolbar, you'll see Day, which will snap to the time and then give you just a view of the day and the time. After that, you'll see Week. Right now I have the week starting on Monday, so you'll see up above that it has the week, and then on the left column you'll see the hours. Then you have Work Calendar, which you're allowed to customize your day, what days you work, and the hours that you work, so you can consolidate. It's easier to find. After that, we have Add Calendar and Calendars, which I'll show you here in a second. After that, we have Configure. And if you click on that, you can have your week start if you want Monday or Sunday. I like mine starting at Monday, but some of you like Sunday. You can choose that here. Now, you can configure your work view, and this is what we just got done talking about. Let's say I start on Tuesday working. I work until Friday. And then below that, the work view day starts and ends at. So this will give you the hours. So let's say my day starts at 5 and I work 10 hours, so I end it then, and then you save configuration. Pops up a little message saying configuration saved. And now all that is fixed up the way you like it. After that, you'll see full screen. This is a nice feature that we're going to see a lot more applications have. Instead of just maximizing your eye window, if you will, like this one actually will populate your entire browser window. You'll cover up everything else, and all you see is that there. That's a lot more convenient. And then you can just hit that again for it to go back down so you can see your iDesktop. Now on your left hand side of the calendar, you'll see a bar that has calendars. We'll show you more about that also. And then below that we have a little month view. Real handy. You can go forward and backwards. Okay, you kind of see the format of the month, when what day is it going to end, and let's say I wanted to know when the 23rd was, and it was on a Thursday, so real simple little tool there. Now let's talk more about the organizing feature, which is the most convenient and special thing about the calendar. It's not just a calendar. We can have our life a little bit more organized. So I want to plan my week, so I'm going to go to week. Snaps to week. It usually snaps to the time of today, but you can just scroll up and down and decide what you want. And let's say today's Sunday, so I know tomorrow I need to take my daughter to school, so I'm going to mark that down just for example. And what's neat about this is I'm going to mark this, and you just hit it once and it does this little box here. It tells you what time that you marked it in. It will pop up another window saying text for this event. Now this is what you're going to do, so you can put a little description or write as much as you want about it. Alright. Save event text. And there you see in the box it has what I wrote down. Now, I know I need to go to work. We can write that down, but I have a meeting at work, which is more specific. So I know that meeting starts at 9, but it's going to go for 2 hours. So what you do is you click on it once and hold down your right mouse key, and you can just slide on down, and you see the box gets as big as you want it right there. Just let go, and then you can type in whatever you need to. Put meeting. Alright. And then I need to go down, and I know I have another work meeting at here. Set the text. Now, let's say I wasn't thinking when I put the text. You just simply mouse over to the wording that you put, click on it, pops up the text event again, and you can edit that, change it, and save it as well. And then Tuesday, I just remembered that I have to take my daughter to ballet lessons, so I need to put down that. But then I was thinking, I don't want to mix the views. It would be better if I could change the color of these boxes and have, let's say, all the stuff dealing with family, being one different type of box and other stuff, and then dealing with work being another. It's real simple. We go up to the add calendar above that we talked about. Just type in what you want, family or what have you. Then if you click on family itself, you can see that we have a different color. Set event. You can do this up to 5 times. 5 different calendars. Now let's say for some reason I don't want work to be blue. You go up to your toolbar and you hit calendars. And then you can see there's numbers in front of that section, and you can choose a different number, and each number will be a different calendar. And also, while we're here, you can also delete that one. So let's say I don't really need the family one anymore. I decided to group that in with another type group that I have. You just check mark that and hit update calendar. It'll remove that for you. So now that we have the week plan, there's something else I want to show you. If you go to your iDock, or your iBar rather, and go to Applications, you can come down and you will see miniCalendar. You just click on that, and it's a little widget that we have here. And tomorrow, since it's been Monday, I put in information. You'll see in these white spaces what I have wrote down in the times and schedules there. As you can see here, it gives you a nice little readout of what it is, and then it gives you the different color tabs. So tomorrow, this is what I would see, and the day after that, this is what I would see. Give you the time next to it. Very simple. And then in your upper left-hand corner, you can hit plus symbol, and your entire calendar pops up, and you can make amendments to it.